Hello, how may I help you?
I need help with my account.
We need to verify your identity for this. Please cooperate. May I know your account number, please?
01624802017.
You said your account number is 016-2480-2017. Is it right?
It is
Please wait. May I know your full name registered with bank?
Rishikesh.
May I know your date of birth, please? Keep in mind that you need to speak your date of birth in numbers. For example, if your date of birth is August 15th, 1990, you will say your date of birth as 150819990.
20081999.
Verification successful. Thanks for your cooperation. What do you need help with? Registering a complaint, tracking complaint, or an agent?
Register a complaint.
Okay. Go ahead and feel free to register a complaint. Please keep in mind that your complaint should be detailed, containing all the necessary information. Once done, please say that's it. Your grievance would be redressed within 7 business days, and our customer support team may call you if required. We have registered your complaint. We will try solve it within 7 business days. Your token number is 807-632-1287. Keep this token safe for future reference.
Shut down.
Shutting down.